Got short term goals but unsure where to park your money? What if I told you SIPs can help you grow it safely in just 1 to 3 years? Sounds exciting? Let's dive in. Welcome to Holistic Investment. Today we are simplifying short term SIP investment. If you are investing for just a few years, the key is stability, not risk. But which SIP should you choose? Let's find out. Here's the deal. When your goal is just 1 to 3 years away, you can't afford to gamble with high risk options. Why risk losing money to market volatility when you need it soon? That's why picking the right SIP is so important. So, what are your options? Let's break it down. First, debt mutual funds. For stability, these are perfect. Liquid funds or ultra short duration funds invest in safe instruments like government bonds, offering steady returns. Need money in just 6 to 12 months? These are ideal. Second, arbitrage funds. Low risk, steady returns. These funds use price differences in stocks and derivatives markets to outperform savings accounts. Third, short term funds. With a 1 to 3 year horizon, these funds provide better returns than fixed deposits with moderate returns. And finally, banking and PSU debt funds. Want stability plus slightly higher returns? These funds invest in bonds from banks and public sectors undertakings. A solid choice. But here's the question, why not equity SIPs? Well, equity SIPs are great for long term goals, but for the short term, not so much. They are too volatile and risky for 1 to 3 year horizon. So, what is the conclusion? Well, short term investing is about safety. Debt mutual funds, arbitrage funds, and short term funds offer the perfect balance of low risk and decent returns. So, what's your next step? Will you settle for low returns or let SIPs grow your money smartly? Your choice. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. Ready to invest? Check the link in the description for the complimentary consultation. Let's grow your money together. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.